all to Elite Rankers Academy. So there is question in everybody's mind, why Elite Rankers Academy Ranchi is the first choice of students. So let me tell you and let me clear your doubts. It's because here in Elite Rankers Academy we are having quota-based study materials. Means we provide quota-based study material. Elite Ranker Academy provides well-structured quota-based material renowned for their success in helping students for preparing competitive exams like JEE and NEET. And then we are having experienced faculty. The Academy boasts a team of highly qualified and experienced teachers, ensuring personalized attention and in-depth subject knowledge for every student. And then we provide app-based testing. Means regular app-based tests simulate real exam conditions and help students to track their progress and also to help them know where they are weak, means to help them identify the weak areas and stay always exam ready. And then we are having state-of-the-art, that's smart board teaching. Yes, interactive smart classes make learning engaging and efficient. Using visual aids to simplify complex concepts. Yeah, students use visual aids here to solve complex concepts easily. And then here we also provide personalized feedback and mentorship. Means every student will be receiving performance analysis here. Okay? And then we are providing also individual guidance to students to understand that on which areas they need to be improved. And then we also have comprehensive curriculum here. Means the course structure ensures a thorough understanding of subjects, blending conceptual clarity and to help them practical problem solving. And then lastly, we are having flexible learning options. Means students are provided with options. Either they can choose in classroom or online learning facilities. It's up to them according to the mode that best suits them regarding their learning style and pace. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Stay connected.